हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने ब्रैग्स लॉ के बारे में डिस्कस किया था एंड वी वर स्टॉप्ड एट 2d sin theta is equals to n lambda which is Bragg's law and defines the condition for diffraction in crystals. Here d is the interplanar spacing and theta is the angle at which we are observing diffraction pattern and lambda is the wavelength of incident radiation. एंड इंसिडेंट रेडिएशंस आर एक्स रेज. तो यहाँ से अगर हमें वेवलेंथ नोन है तो हम एक्सपेरिमेंटली थीटा की वैल्यू इवेलुएट कर सकते हैं और इस मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन के थ्रू हम डी इवेलुएट कर सकते हैं विच इज़ इंटरप्लेनर स्पेसिंग एंड इंटरप्लेनर स्पेसिंग इज इक्वल्स टू दिस एंड फ्रॉम दिस फॉर्मूला वी कैन इवेलुएट लेटिस पैरामीटर्स विच डिफाइंस फर्दर क्रिस्टल सिमेट्री. सो हमने ब्रैग्स लॉ के बारे में डिस्कस किया था. नेक्स्ट व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दिस ब्रैग्स लॉ. सो ब्रैग्स लॉ डिफाइंस द periodicity of crystal and periodicity of crystals in which atoms are arranged in a regular manner. So Bragg's law is consequence of periodicity of the space lattice and also Bragg's law doesn't tell about the atoms associated with the bases inside crystal and relative intensity which we are observing for different orders of diffraction defines the basis atoms associated in this space lattice for a particular crystal. And also you can see here in this formula there is a sin theta and sin theta is always less than and equal to 1. This implies that lambda is always less than or equal to 2d and this condition is satisfied only for the case of X-rays because d which is interplanar spacing is approximately around 1 angstrom or less. So we have to choose a wavelength of incident radiation such that it satisfies this condition. So this condition is satisfied by X-rays. So here we are using X-ray for observing diffraction for the case of crystal instead of any other electromagnetic radiation. So this is reason that why we are choosing X-rays for the study of crystal structure is to satisfy this condition, this diffraction condition that wavelength must be less than or equal to the interplanar spacing. And also here you can observe if wavelength of incident radiation here if we decrease the wavelength of incident radiation and d is constant means we are choosing a sample such that where d is constant and wavelength is decreasing, then with the decrease in wavelength this glancing angle theta also decrease. So we have to choose X-rays so that we can observe diffraction pattern at observable angle instead of using gamma rays. If we choose gamma rays in place of X-rays then this leads to decrease in glancing angle which is difficult to observe. So this is reason that we are using X-ray for crystal for determining the structure of any crystal. So these are some characteristics of Bragg's law.